Many people get discouraged when they see someone else doing something better than them, and that discouragement often gets in the way of things you'd like to do. If this is you, stick around.
Captain Bob, he's my best friend and he should be yours too.
Discouragement is something that everyone will face in their life at one time or another, and it's really important to know what it is and how to get out of it. From the book First Things First by Stephen Covey, it says, discouragement is literally discouragement, a lack of courage. It comes when we're tired, out of shape, when we're not growing. It comes when our thinking is competitive and scarce, when win-lose interactions fill our lives and our environment. Courage, on the other hand, comes as a result of knowing the character and competence to act with integrity in the moment of choice, the abundance mentality to function effectively and synergistically in the independent reality. Wherever we are, the best way to develop courage is to set a goal and achieve it, to make a promise and keep it. No matter how small the goal or promise is, this one act will build our confidence. As we begin to make and keep promises to ourselves and others, we take the first steps on a path that leads to confidence, growth, and peace. And I thought that really summed it up. Discouragement in this context is when you see someone who's been doing it a while and assume you're going to be that way in the beginning. But don't be discouraged. You can do it. He talked a little bit about the scarcity or abundance mindset, and for me, it's very important to make sure to have an abundance mindset. Having a scarcity mindset is because they succeed, I can't succeed. They're taking my success. But an abundance mindset is they can succeed and I can succeed. We can both succeed, perhaps even together. Having someone else succeed typically does not take away your success, and you should not look at it that way. I found this especially true with YouTube. When I began, I felt that because other channels were succeeding, they were taking that success from me. They're the competition, they're the enemy. But in reality, they're friends actually. Just because a viewer is watching another channel does not mean they can't watch my channel, unless their channel is posting 24/7 and live streaming their entire life. Something else about this is that if you don't give up, you actually change your odds, your probability of succeeding. Basically, if you don't quit, you're actually closer to success. So take your first step forward. Plan, budget, and get approvals from your local governing authorities. What's keeping you back? Look out for the second part of this video series. It will be about how to take your first few steps to making a flight simulator. I'm really excited to share this video with you, and to make sure you get it, click that notification bell and subscribe so that you don't miss out on it. I'm now launching the Accelerated Simulator program. It's an online course that takes you from start to finish on your flight simulator. Hello! And then we'll have bad audio half the video. Plan, budget, execute. No, not. What is keeping you back?
Keeping you back, bro.
Whew, the stars aligned. It recorded. Usually I set the camera and it doesn't record and I'm like, what the heck? Peasant. Let's see.
Hello.